Hi there. In this video we're going to put together a Cricut Cutie Hula Dancer, which I created using two different Cricut Cutie images and the outfit for the hula bear off of Teddy Bear Parade. So let's get into it. Alright, so my Cricut Cutie is not that tall. Let's see. It's 3 1/4 inch tall, but that's including its antennas. I used 12 by 12 cardstock Shops Encore textured cardstock for the body and most of the other little parts. It's got a texture on it. It's a really nice cardstock. This one is turquoise necklace. I never get to the cuties before they sell out, so I'm just going to make my cutie with cardstock and in turquoise. That's a good color. I like that color. Alright, so we're going to do his face first. Put it off to the side. There's the face. Then the mouth in black of the eyes. And then the white of the eyes. And then the circle around the eyes. It adds dimension. Okay, so let me take those off and then put glue on the back of this piece. So that's the order the face goes in. I got my reverse tweezers to help me out because my hands do shake. Alright, there's the first part of the face. So it goes black, face, and then the eyes. I'm going to hold those like that and do the eyes. You don't need a lot of glue. I don't know why I decided to do it that way. And the eyes line up with the dots of the eye on the gold piece, not the gold, the turquoise piece. I'm going to use my brayer to get a good adhesion. Alright, so that's the face. And then we have, make sure I got it the right way, the tiny eye round around the eye on the outside. I don't know what it is exactly. Just putting little dots of glue. Not too much glue. All right. Well, for me, it's all right. And that's how his face looks. Okay. Move that over. So I'm thinking of pop dotting or adhesive foam dotting his head onto his body. And I got some thin ones. They are really thin. I think they're like 1 millimeter. So we'll put the head on last so we can dress it up with its hula skirt. Alright. So put that over there. Put that there. And then the green goes onto the red. Mine's not really red, it's more like a watermelon color. I'd already had some leftover scraps. So all of this has been cut out of 12 by 12 cardstock shop cardstock Encore. And look how nice it cut these tiny pieces. Whoops. All right. Come on. There we go. Much better. So this is really tiny. See how tiny it is? And then this piece is even tinier. That's the lay. So we're gonna have to put dabs of glue on it. Little dots of glue. And you're struggling with it. All right. So the lei goes on top of the shirt. So okay. So now we have that. And we're going to glue the outfit down to the body. No, I mean, you can use adhesive foam tape if you want, or adhesive squares or pop dots or whatever you want to call them. But I'm just going to pop the head up. It gives it more detail. Okay. Now let's see. We put the head on, and I've decided to use the foam adhesive foam dots. God, I'll get it right one day. Okay, I'm going to turn it to the side so I can see where I'm putting it. Okay. Now look at that. The dimension it has. I keep bending the antennas a little. Okay. So now we're going to put together the little hibiscus flower. Look how tiny that is. Oh, let me get the other piece first. this teeny tiny little piece. Woo, almost lost it. That's not the way. Need the back. Get out a little bit of glue. Alright. Then it goes right there. Try to get it over a little bit. I'm just making it look hard. It's not hard at all to put this together. And then this goes right there. So I'm going to add glue to the eyeball part of where I want it. Okay. And then these are the antenna balls or circles. If you put them on maybe if I use some foam tape, some adhesive foam squares, we could probably get them to pop up. So I'm going to cut some in 4s. That way they're smaller. Alright. That's the right side. Alright. Cut, what is it called? Encore textured cardstock from 12x12 cardstock shop. Cuts really good. I cut this using my maker. And it's really good cardstock. Now that we can't get cardstock from Joann's in this size, come on, there we go. Flip it over. Apparently this one got stuck, but oh well. There. Now we're done. So here's the little hula. It's so cute. The dimension. Alright. So I have shared this file in our Cricut group, Facebook group, Cricut Explore Maker and More. I shared this file in there, so if you would like to get the file and make your own little hula cutie, Cricut Cutie, I'll link to the group below, and you can get it from there. Thank you for watching. Bye.